Hello nectarines, Nono here and I'm back with another video. So Btartbox has launched a new collection. Of course, yours truly is going to be reviewing it for you guys. But before we do that, let me show you what else they sent me. As always, we have the French protecting duo, which is the builder gel and the top coat. Now something new and exciting is that they just launched their own brush on nail glue, which is amazing because it's said to be HEMA free, TPO free and non-toxic. It is also super drying, and if you're someone who would love the convenience of a glue but you don't have a lamp, this is the glue for you. I loved the brush as well. Apparently it makes for an easy application and it is a fine brush. We're going to be testing it out today. This is what we're going to be using to attach our nails. I did want to show that it's also a 7ml bottle. And of course, the star of today's show is the xcoattips French pink glitter base collection. You guys, these are so beautiful. They sent me their long square and their long stiletto, and I feel like the timing is just right with the holidays just around the corner. These are going to be everything. I even felt like they were a little bit sturdier and they felt so good on the nail, but I did have to zoom you guys a little bit closer so we can look at the sparkle effect. To me, they kind of giving crushed mylar flakes, and they have like a nice orange shift, and of course that signature crisp Btartbox smile together. It just makes for the prettiest nail. They made sure that all the girlies are covered, so let me show you guys all the different shapes and sizes. We have extra short square, long square, short almond, medium almond, long stiletto, and then lastly short oval. So you definitely are spoiled for choice when it comes to your shapes and sizes. Now for today, I decided to go with the long stiletto nail. I did want to show you guys that once you snap it off the frame, you do lose some of that pointiness. So you will have to go in with the file to either restore it or just round it off. I opted to round it off and it kind of gave a long almond shape, which I really enjoyed. You want to also file from underneath. That way you're not chipping away at that white smile line. You want to keep it nice and crisp. Once I was happy with how the nails are looking, I made sure that they all fit from sidewall to sidewall. And now let's get into the application. Off camera, I applied my peel-off base. That way I can pop the nails off once I'm done. I'm also making sure that I'm arranging them correctly. That way I'm not accidentally applying the wrong nail on the wrong finger. If you know, you know. And then of course, we're going to be using the Btartbox brush on glue to attach the nails today. On the box, the instructions clearly indicate to apply the glue on the tip and on the natural nail. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm applying it evenly inside the wall of the nail, and then right after that I apply it onto my natural nail. I'm making sure not to touch my cuticle with the glue and the side walls as well. Once I am happy with how the glue is sitting, I did allow it to just chill a bit for like maybe a minute before I place it on, and then I gently applied at a 45-degree angle. Now it does also say to hold it for a good 10 to 15 seconds. That way the glue is sitting correctly and you don't get any air bubbles. Now I did have a little bit of glue squeeze out, but let me tell you, the base coat on the xcoattips is amazing. I'm using acetone to remove that excess glue, and this does no damage at whatsoever to the nail. And once I'm done, I'm just taking an alcohol wipe to just extra cleanse and make sure that the nail is nice and clean. I was pleasantly surprised at how well this glue worked, how easy it was to work with, and how quickly it gripped onto the nail, allowing you to just move on to the next and not even have to worry that it's gonna pop off. Now, obviously, this takes a little bit of practice to know just how much glue you need, but by the time you get to the third nail, you have a good idea. Now, because I'm a nail content creator, I usually can go a day or two with nails on and then I have to pop them off. When it came to popping these nails off, they were not budging, you guys, which is a testament to how well this glue works. I'm definitely going to be reaching for it more when I have to apply a quick set, and then I don't have to worry about it popping off too easily. Now that I'm done, I make sure to just quickly wipe the lip of my glue, that way it doesn't seal shut. And I also make sure that I close it tight so it doesn't air dry on me, which is the worst, by the way. And with that, we're pretty much done with the application, you guys. I probably got these nails on within 5 minutes. They were on and I was done. This was amazing. You guys know me, I love customizing my xcoattips, and for every video I'm always like, what do I want to do to my xcoattips today? And I came up with this design. I felt like it complemented that pink sparkle really well. I went in with my combo of top coat and black gel. This just always ensures that my chrome comes out absolutely stunning and shiny, and it never is glittery. And then I just did half a circle in 2 lines. The important thing here is I just made sure to round off where the lines connect, and it just made it look so cool. And once it was done, I made sure to cure for 60 seconds, and then I went in with my chrome application. One of my favorite thing about the xcoattips is that matte base coat that they come with, and this just means that I do not have to worry about my chrome sticking. And yes, you guys, I didn't have to go in with an extra coat of matte. I just applied directly on that layer, and look at how perfect my chrome came out. Oh, it was so satisfying. Now let's finish off with the builder gel. Of course, this is going to not only protect the smile line, or that French smile line, but it is also going to protect my chrome from chipping. So I'm making sure that I'm coating it evenly across the nail, and just making sure that my sides are nice and sealed as well. And once I'm done with this, I cure it for 60 seconds. And of course, I finish off with the non-wipe top coat, which I also cure for 60 seconds as well. And lastly, we're going in with the Btartbox Nail Lush Cuticle Oil. I cannot sing this cuticle oil enough praises, you guys. It is moisturizing, it smells amazing, it is non-greasy, but my favorite part about it is its nail strengthening properties. I spent my time just massaging into my skin and my cuticles, and it just leaves a beautiful glow to my skin. Obsessed. And with that, we are done with today's set. How stunning. I really love the pink chrome. I felt like it accentuated the overall sparkle, and it was such a fun set to create all together. If you guys would like to get your hands on the new collection, I'll link it in the description box. If you shop through my link, you automatically get 10% off your purchase. And lastly, thank you so much to Btartbox for sponsoring today's video. Let me know what you guys think of today's set. Like, comment, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.